Some clothes are never meant to be seen by the world. Not because they lack style, not because they lack quality, but because the label says they can't be sold at home. We saw value where others saw surplus. We buy every last piece, in cash, at cost, direct from the factory floor. Because great fashion deserves a second chance. And Indian businesses deserve first picks. No middlemen, no fakes, no fluff. Just pure factory direct fashion, reimagined for your shelves. Because the best label is the one your customer can't see.